Getting your HP LaserJet MFP M125Nw connected to your Wi-Fi network can feel a bit tricky since it doesn't have a touchscreen, but it's actually a straightforward process. We'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the printer. First, make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on. If you haven't already, place the printer within range of your Wi-Fi router for a strong connection. Step 2. Enable wireless setup mode. Press Wi-Fi button for 2 seconds to enable Wi-Fi direct in printer if already not enabled. Step 3. Connect to printer Wi-Fi from laptop or mobile. Go to mobile or laptop Wi-Fi and find HP printer Wi-Fi SSID name. Connect it. No password required. Step 4. Log in HP printer settings from web browser. Open any web browser and access HP printer IP address 192.168.223.1. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M125Nw printer settings page will open. Now go to Networking tab from top menu. Then go to Wireless Configuration from left side menu. You will get all Wi-Fi network running nearby. Select your Wi-Fi SSID name and provide passphrase. And press Apply button. Changes have been made successfully. Press OK button to return to configuration. Wireless status showing connected means printer successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now go to mobile or laptop and try print. Step 5. Test print from mobile. Open any document for test print. Go to Print option from Settings menu. You will find HP M125Nw printer name. Select it and press printer icon to print. And that's it. You've successfully connected your HP LaserJet MFP M125Nw to Wi-Fi. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.